Hello friends, the topic for today is asymptotic notation. Before understanding the asymptotic notation, we understand basic terminology like what is algorithm and properties of algorithm. So algorithm is a finite sequence of steps to solve a problem. Example is decision problem of a finite automata. If we compare the algorithm subject TOC, theory of computation, so algorithm is equal to halting Turing machine. Turing machine can be two type, halting Turing machine and non-halting Turing machine. Okay. Properties of algorithms: finiteness, input or output. Finiteness means it should terminate in finite amount of time. Okay. Input means it can contain 0 or more input. Output means it should produce at least one output. So what is asymptotic notation? Asymptotic notations are the mathematical notation used to describe the running time of an algorithm when the input tends toward a particular value or a limiting value. Okay. Asymptotic notation internally contain three notation: big O notation, big omega notation, big theta notation. Symbol of a big omega like this, big theta is this, big theta is this, and big omega is this way. This three symbol is very important. If you want to understand algorithm subject, you must understand these three symbols: omega, theta and big O. Without these three symbol, algorithm subject is not possible. Okay. And if you understand big O notation, your work is 100% done. Omega and theta you can understand very easy way if you understand big O notation. So more focus required on big O notation. Okay. So what is a big O notation? The definition of a big O notation is like this: let f of n and g of n be two positive function. F of n is big O of g of n if and only if f of n is less than equal to c multiply g of n for all n where n is greater than equal to n naught, such that there exists a two positive constant where c is greater than equal to 0, c is greater than 0 or n naught is greater than equal to 1. Okay. So big O notation represent the upper bound of running time of an algorithm. Read this definition again: f of n and g of n is a two positive function. Can anyone explain why two positive function is taken by the definition? Because in algorithm subject we calculate the time complexity and space complexity, and time and space never be negative. So f of n and g of n with two positive function. Okay. So f of n is a big O of g of n if and only if f of n is less than equal to c multiply g of n. If and if only means relation hold true both the side. If and only means relation hold true both the side. Okay. For all n is greater than equal to n naught. Okay. This definition is looking like very complex, but when we understand the example, this definition is very simple. So let us say f of n is big O of g of n. Okay. So let f of n is n plus 10, g of n is n. So when f of n is big O of g n, when f of n is less than equal to c multiply by g of n, putting the value of f n and g n, so n plus 10 is less than equal to c multiply by n. Okay. So with the help of c and n naught we prove right is greater than equal to. Okay. So put let c is equal to 2, so n plus 10 is less than equal to 2n. Putting the value of, we find n naught, we find the value of n naught, so this equation is true. Putting n equal to 1, 11 is less than equal to 2, false, this condition false. N equal to 2, 12 is less than equal to 4, false. Likewise, when prove n equal to 10. So 20 is less than is equal to 20. This condition is true, hold. So n naught we find 10. So greater than all value of n naught greater than 10, like 11, 12, like this. This condition hold true. So f of n is big O of g of n when c is equal to 2 and n naught is equal to 10. Okay. So this condition hold true, f of n is big O of g of n. Likewise, big omega, f of n is big omega of g of n when f of n is greater than equal to c multiply g of n for all n is greater than n is greater than equal to n naught. For all n is greater than equal to n naught, there exists a two positive constants c greater than equal to 0 and n naught is greater than equal to 1. Okay, this is a definition. So with the help of example we prove that this definition is very easy. Likewise, n plus 10 is f of n greater than equal to c multiply by g of n is equal to n. So n plus 10 is greater than equal to cn. Putting the value of c, with the help of c we prove right is greater than equal to. Okay, with the help of c we prove right is greater than equal to. So n plus 10, let us say c is equal to 1, greater than equal to n, c is equal to 1. Okay, this equation is true. Yes, this is equation. N plus 10 is greater than equal to n. So we find n naught. Let us say put n naught is n equal to 1. So 11 is greater than equal to n 1. This condition is true. So n naught is equal to 1. Okay, so greater than value of 1, this equation is satisfied. So f of n is omega of g of n. Okay, big O notation represent worst case, big omega notation represent best case. Okay, and third notation is theta. Okay, so when theta is possible, if between two people big O and omega is possible, then theta is possible. Okay, like this. If between two people big O notation is possible, omega notation is possible, then theta is possible. Like big O means right is greater than equal to, omega means left is greater than equal to, theta means equal to. Okay, you understand or not? If and only means relation hold true both the side. If and only if relation means hold true both the side. So definition of a theta notation is like this: f of n is theta of g of n. When we say f of n is theta of g of n, when f of n is less than is equal to c1 g of n and f of n is greater than c2 g of n. With the help of c1 and c2 we prove theta is equal to, okay, where n naught is greater than equal to 1. Okay, so big O is possible when n naught value is greater than equal to 10. Omega is possible when n naught is equal greater than equal value of 1. So both is going one side. Okay, so theta is possible. So theta is possible when n naught is equal to 10. So greater than value of n naught is equal to 10, theta is possible. Theta when possible? When c1 is equal to 2, C2 is equal to 1 and N naught is value greater than equal to 10, then theta is possible. Okay, thank you.